Hello,
Oh, hello.
how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How have you been?
I'm good. My name is Kaylee. What's your name?
Okay, I am Ujjwal and I'm from India, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I can
Yeah,
see, I can see there is a very good looking light behind you.
okay. Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
Is it
Oh,
lighting?
yeah, they're just lights.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, thank you. So you're from India.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. And why are you learning English?
Actually, there are two modes which I'm learning English.
Okay,
Yeah, first is that yeah, to be to be having another language. English language is common all over the
okay,
world. Yeah, it's an international language. So yeah, it is good if we know English. So the first reason is, and the second reason is my father have his own business of handicraft products, and we
okay,
produce our handicraft own products in India and ship them in international market like the USA and the Germany and the
okay,
other countries. So in this case, we have to know how to speak English fluently, because our work is to interact with foreigners because we sell our products in international market in USA.
okay.
So yeah, in that case,
What kind of products do you sell, or does your company sell?
it is a it may be trays and hanging lamps, balls, pendants.
Oh,
Yeah,
what's it called?
is it called handicraft products, which is made by humans, labors.
No, I know. What is the company called?
Company, okay. Company name is Tripurti Collection.
Can you type that to me?
Yeah, yeah, of course. This.
Trim. Oh, wait, I feel like I've heard of this before. Let me see.
Actually, would you like
Okay.
to see some
I'm sorry?
pictures of my products?
Yes.
Yeah, so here I show you like this. So this is aluminum gold plated trays and balls.
Whoa.
This is and this is decorative elephants. Another one is rhino. So this type of stuffs. we pro-
Okay. Your um website. Can you send me the link to the website?
Actually, website now the website is under construction.
Okay.
So yeah, but I have an Insta page and a Facebook page. Now website is under construction.
Okay.
No, I'm looking for that helper or agent who can help me to increase my sale. Like you are from USA, so currently you are living in USA.
Yes, I do live in the USA.
Yeah. So like, have you saw before any this type of shops who sells this type of products?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are that manufacturer and sell our products uh, on that behalf. So I'm looking for that agent who can help me to increase my sale. Like if I'll get an order through you, so I can I'll give you the 5% commission per order and on every order. So
Wow.
yeah, so like I have a deal. This is the second reason I have joined Cambly. Yeah.
Trematuri. Okay. I feel like I've heard this before. I've seen things like
Oh,
that
that's good.
in a city close to me. Okay. So, is this an international company?
Yeah, actually, yeah, is it an international company because we sell our product in international market.
Okay. So, what countries do you ship to?
Yeah, I have shipped in New Zealand. There was a buyer,
Okay.
United Tailor. Yeah, United Tailor. So we shipped a lot of shipments. to him.
Okay.
But now I'm looking for a business in USA. Can you help me to
Okay.
grab the business? If
Where would you go?
I wouldn't go anywhere right now, but through you, if you know any shopkeeper who sells this, so you can contact them and
Okay.
you can let me know that there is a buyer and who wants this type of products in bulk quantity. So yeah, this type of
There's a
business.
store in my city, and the owner is from India. He owns a few shops
Oh,
around my area, and he is from India. His whole family is from India. He visits there many times a year. And I've seen products like this, but not like what you showed me.
so
Hmm.
okay. So like in this condition, you can also earn money.
Okay.
I do. Yeah, I have a lot of design products.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Or somehow, or do you? I want to see if you have I social media page or something.
Yeah, like this is the lamps. It says this.
Wow,
Yeah. And there's a steady demand in US of this type of products, US and Germany.
there is,
Yeah.
because they're different and beautiful.
Yeah.
So how would someone be able to find you, or how would do you have a social media page, or like how can people see your product?
Yeah, actually, right now I have a social media page and I have also a website, but due to some reason, website is now under construction. So now I
Okay.
have a contact number and a social media.
What's the social media?
Social media is wait, I'll let you know. Like this.
Trinidad Handicrafts. Is this like on Facebook, on
Yeah,
Instagram?
is it on Facebook? You can search on it Facebook.
Okay.
You can send me the message there.
Trying to see. Oh, wait.
Did
There's
you find?
there's a few different ones. What does the picture look like?
Like I have uploaded the pictures of the decorative animals, silver coated. Can you show me what you find?
Yeah. Yeah.
What you found here, please?
Hmm. Oh, there we go.
No. Okay, so actually you have to search this name on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so. Let me see. I'm gonna look it up.
First you have to.
T handicrafts. Okay, and who makes it? Oh wait. Oh, so it's not a page. It's this, right?
Yeah, yeah. This.
Okay. So you have to. This is You have to add this person as a friend.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
These are really pretty.
Yeah, thank you. So if you are, if you take interest of this type of business, so you can let me know and uh, we can do business together.
Yeah.
Also earn
So
money.
who makes these? Like how do you make them?
Actually, we hired some laborers
Okay.
and they makes this. They make this.
Okay. And you
I
have
have a
Gmail account.
lot of queries. Two steps. First
Okay.
is product water coating, and second is polishing setup. So the
Wow.
yeah, so the product no product ready by two places.
Okay. And you sell the lamps too? Or just the
Sorry.
do you sell the lamps too?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We also.
Because the Facebook page isn't there isn't a lot.
Yeah, the still I don't upload the lamps images, but I will upload all the product of images. Firstly, I have to make product catalog.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is
and
this a new business
yeah, my father
startup?
is optimizing this business since 2017.
Okay. So since then you've been selling locally.
Yeah, yeah, locally. Because I have opened an account on Amazon.
Oh.
Yeah, I used to sell our products in Amazon, but due to some reason I stopped this. But yeah, I think after a while I'll resell our products on Amazon, relisting.
So you have an do you have an account like or a shop on Amazon?
Yeah, I have a account on Amazon. I
Oh.
opened it Amazon seller account, and I used to sell our product there. I have account, but no, I haven't do any listing there. But yeah, I'll
Okay.
do. Yeah.
Do you is it under this name, the handcrafts?
On Amazon.
Yeah, is this the name of it that you sent me?
Yeah, actually, the real name is Trimurti Collection.
Okay.
Yeah, and Amazon, the Trimurti Collection. I think Amazon Trimurti Collection is named is on also on Amazon.
Okay.
Yeah, we put there.
Okay. I would love to see
Yeah,
the your shop.
yeah, yeah. Of course. Actually, we can video call anytime, and I can show you my my setup.
Yeah,
Where all the products ready are ready.
I
Do
would love
ready.
to see that.
Yeah, yeah,
And I'd love to see you get your business started because this is beautiful.
yeah, yeah.
What made you what gave your father inspiration to start this company?
Yeah, actually, my father used to job a company, and
Okay.
once my father saw like the company owner like he can do business, so why I can't?
Right. Did
Yeah.
you go to school for business?
No, yeah. I'm doing my graduation right now. It's my first year bachelor degree. I am pursuing BBA, Bachelor of Business
Congratulations.
Administration. Yeah. So that
Congratulations.
is why
That's
I'm
amazing.
doing bachelor degree of business administration, BBA.
Okay. Yep. Bachelor of Business Administration. Okay. So you will someday run your father's company.
Yeah, yeah. My father told
Okay.
me that you have to increase the business now.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yeah. Well, get your Facebook page up and running and I'll show this to my friend in town.
yeah, yeah, of course. So
He just came back from
request?
India. Huh?
Did you send the friend request?
No, there's nothing on that page.
Oh, there's an
It won't,
option that you can send a friend request,
I looked it up and it didn't let me.
or you can send me the hi message.
Okay. I can do
Yeah,
that then. Oh, you
yeah,
have a WhatsApp number and an email.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, I'll show this to my friend
yeah. Of course.
because, like I said, he owns a few shops around
Yeah, yeah,
here and a
Def-
restaurant. I think
yeah,
it's from
definitely.
India. So yeah, I'll let him. I'll see if he and his family are interested.
Yeah, it will be beneficial for you and for us. You can
Okay,
also.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I would love that. Thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you.
yeah,
I can't wait to see more of what you make.
yeah, yeah. Of course, we will.
You will, okay. And get that website up and running so we can see it.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, I'll send you the whole product catalog on WhatsApp
Okay.
or Facebook.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll
yes.
send you on WhatsApp.